Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this late night video. Sir, how come are you uploading a video at this late hour of today? From today onwards, there is no distinguishing factor between day and night for me. It definitely should be the same for you as well. From today onwards till 21st of October for inter and final students, and till 5th of September for foundation students, there is no way that we can spend even 1 hour in wasting our time. There is no way that we can do anything else apart from studying. And if even now you think that you have time to make merry, to enjoy yourself, to be happy, celebrate festivals, sorry, October 2021 attempt is not for you. Please postpone your attempt to December or whatever, because now is the time when all of us have to come together, gain our energies back which have been spillover for past 2 months because of the uncertainty in the date sheet. We need to gather ourselves back to focus on only and only one thing: CMA examination of October 2021. Yes, we do not have an opportunity to celebrate Dussehra this year. No Raksha Bandhan this year. No Parsi New Year celebration this year. No Onam celebration this year. No Muharram events this year. Nothing. I know institute has scheduled the examination at such a time when all our, or at least many of our major festivals are round the corner. Even for that matter, Ganesh Chaturthi is falling in between. But yes, we will make sure that either we won't celebrate these festivals or we will celebrate them in such a minuscule manner that we end up spending a minimal time in celebrating these festivals. Sacrifice for 1 year, enjoyment, making merry for your entire lifetime. The choice is yours. You will be responsible for your attention, for your hard work, for your focus, for your gathering of your spillover energies, and you will be responsible for your results of October 2021. So yes, this is an earnest request to the entire CMA fraternity. Of course, I have already seen teachers announcing for their marathon batches. Many of the teachers have already started their marathon batches. We all are geared up to provide you adequate resources, adequate infrastructure, whether you have taken coachings or not, irrespective of that, whether you have studied in past or not, irrespective of that, whether till date your preparations are up to the mark or not, irrespective of that, all of us are there to support you, to handhold you towards this important milestone of your career, October 2021 attempt. So yes, I am here with a study plan for October 2021 students, only and only those students who agree to my points of making sacrifice of their leisure, of their apps, of their Netflix, of their special ones in life whom you chat day and night. If you are really willing to be apart from all these things and part ways from all these things for the next 87 days, I can vouch for it. You will be able to achieve wonders. If not, December 21, June 22, December 22, the list is endless. So yes, last opportunity for all the students who want to clear the examination, who really are serious about their October 21 examination. Please continue watching this video. till the end. But the students who do not concur with my viewpoint, please close the video here and now. Immediately close the video, because this video is then not for you. If you are not serious enough, even now if you are not serious enough, then this video is not for you. So yes, I've come up with a study plan, a very brief, a very targeted, a very focused study plan, which you can see on your screen now. And that study plan is aimed to divide or bifurcate your number of days into subjects which you need to study in the coming weeks or coming days. So yes, this is a broad study plan which can be customized according to your needs. Of course, some students find it really useful to spend more time in practical subjects. However, some students are scared of theory, so they spend more time in theory. So whatever I'll be suggesting you now onwards, everything will be customizable, as in customizable to your needs. Whatever is your expectations, whatever is your level of preparedness, according to that level you should change this study plan as per your need. I've given you a broad guideline, but before I come on to the 5th September 2021 and October study plan, let me have a word with December 2021 students who were aiming to give their one group or both the groups in December 2021. Let me have a word with them. Guys, it is amply clear, December 21 attempt cannot happen on its due time. Most probably it cannot happen at the scheduled time, the time which is usually given to the December attempt. It will not happen during that particular tenure, which automatically means that the attempt might move to January end, late January or February beginning, or even later than that. Golden opportunity for all of you. You get additional time. If you are aiming for one group, please pick up the second group. Yes, an opportune time. Take absolute benefit of this particular time, the opportunity which the institute has given you. If you were planning to give one group, please pick up the second group as well. Please visit www.cscscmanikhilgupta.com for availing huge discounts on December 2021 attempt, which will eventually postpone to say January or we don't know, but expectedly January end of February beginning. So just go ahead. Please start your preparations for the second group if you have chosen for the first group. Whether you are in inter final, a golden opportunity for all of you to gather your energies and focus on both the groups from now. So yes, an opportune time, a great time to actually devote your entire energies to studies. So yes, December 2021 students, gear up. Pull up your socks. Give both groups instead of one group. If you were aiming to be in CMA final next year in June 2022, then you will be in CMA final in December 21 itself. And if you are aiming to become a CMA in June 2022 by giving the second group, you will be a CMA in December 2021 attempt itself. So golden, why golden? Diamond opportunity for the December 21 students. Okay. So yes, now coming back to the nearest attempt, which is going to be an online mode, absolute online mode, a privilege to all of us. Yes, it's very, very convenient. It's more of calculations. It's more of accuracy rather than formatting, rather than being very flowery and very beautiful with our handwriting, or focusing on formats in accounts. No, you don't need to focus on formats now. You'll be having answers, 4 answers in front of you. One you have to pick. So a relatively easier regime. But yes, law would definitely be most expectedly, just like a previous attempt, law would be more than 50% theoretical, which means you need to type your answers in the law paper. So final MTPs are yet to be released, but yes, approximately 50% of law paper will be on the typing mode. So apart from law, all other subjects probably a relief, a respite of relief. online mode, which means MCQs are to be practiced at a very a high level. So MCQs will be the main focus of your practice. So accordingly, I have bifurcated your number of days into the preparation days. How should you prepare? Talking about 5th of September, my favorite day, Teachers Day. So yes, all the foundation students, I want a gift from you on this 5th of September. After giving you examination, all 4 papers on the single day, after giving you examination, just message me. So we did it our best, and yes, whatever is the result is not in our hands, but we gave our 100%. So that is the message I want from you as a Teachers Day gift from all the CMA Foundation students of all the country, entire India. So 5th of September, how many days are left? 41, entire 41 days are left. Approximately 4 subjects, so approximately 10 days per subject. According to my advice or suggestion, you should divide 10 days into equal splits. 5 days should be given to each of the subject, which means that 5 days you should prepare in a very subjective manner, not in an objective manner. You should read the chapters properly. You should solve the sums properly. You should go through the law, ethics, theory portion properly of the book. So 5 days dedicated to the subject itself, which means you need to go through the study material which is given to you by your teachers, or if you are referring to the institute study material, then go through the institute study material. 5 days dedicated to the subject. Yes, this 5 can increase to 6 depending upon the subject. If the subject is accounts and costing, then you might need a day extra. So this 5 might increase to 6. So 5 to 6 days for studying the subjects, and yes, 4 entire days or 5 days for that matter dedicated to studying only and only MCQs. Since you have your home based examination, there is no center based examination for foundation students. You'll be at ease in your comfort zone of your home. Absolutely online paper. So MCQs will form a very high focal point of your preparation. So I've split 10 days into 5 and 5 for the subject, 5 for the MCQs. And MCQs, the sources of MCQs are very, very clear. Bit questions, study material MCQs, and past examination questions MCQs. So primarily these 3 sources are there for the MCQs for foundation students. I'm not saying that entire paper will be based from these MCQs, but yes, these MCQs will help you to the maximum in your preparation, because they will definitely form an integral part of your preparation. For your ease, all these 3 portions have been clubbed together, have been accumulated, and MCQs of all the 4 subjects are available on www.cacscmanikhilgupta.com, and just check out the website on the section where CMA Foundation is there. You'll find MCQs, and MCQs you can just get MCQs from there. PDF format will be given to you, and it will contain all the MCQs from bit questions, from study material, and from past examination questions. So just have a look over them, and that will complete or complement your preparations which you will be doing from your study mat or the mat which is given to you by your teachers in your respective classes. Secondly, there is a separate folder on my YouTube channel, and the link of the folder is given over here. There is a separate folder, and in that separate folder I have clubbed all the videos which had been created by the team of Bright Vision Academy for CMA Foundation students. All those videos are accumulated in that folder. So just go to that playlist. Name of the playlist is CMA Foundation. In that playlist you will get MCQ videos where teachers are solving MCQs in front of you live in those videos. So just go through those videos just when you are free. Just have your earphones in your ears and just listen to those videos. That will be very, very useful and relevant for all of you. The link is shared with you in the description box as well. So those videos will really, really be helpful for you. And yes, we'll be coming up with certain more videos for CMA Foundation students in the coming future. So stay tuned on this channel. You'll be getting much more videos. And yes, a test series is being launched very shortly for the CMA Foundation students. The details of the test, the chapters, the subjects will be declared on the notification tab of www.cacscmanikhilgupta.com. So just check out the website and just be Vigile on that tab of notifications. On notifications, you'll get the test of the schedule of the test, which will be scheduled for the foundation students. So for all the 4 subjects, tests will be held in an online format, in an MCQ based format, just like you'll be facing the test in your examination. Similar kind of format will be followed for all of you. So just stay tuned at this website for the further details. That's all for the foundation students. 5th of September. Yes, enough of resources, enough of infrastructure, everything at your disposal. Just go for it. Next year, I want you to be a CMA intermediate student, and yes, I want you to teach the subjects of intermediate. So I'm really eager for all of you to come up for intermediate coachings and come up with good results in CMA foundation and start your CMA inter with flying colors. Alright, so that's all for the foundation student. Now coming on to October 2021 examination, and yes, the much awaited, the much coveted, the much eagerly waited date sheet, which was about to be announced by the institute, the time sheet of the time table of examination of October of CMA inter and final. Yes, institute has given you ample time. Many students were saying, sir, what if institute gives us 20 days of time or 20 days of heads up before the examination? Institute has not done this. Institute in his wisdom has given you 87 days. 87 days. Before 87 days, the notification is out in front of all of you. Institute has not done any injustice with all of you. And yes, now even I was wondering that what is it that is taking so much of time? Even I was wondering that. But I didn't want to pressurize, or I didn't want to create some video which requests the institute to release the date sheet at the earlier date, because I honestly feel that if time is being taken, there has to be some grave reason because of which time is being taken. Reason is in front of us. Online home-based examination has been scrapped off, which means centers in the entire country needs to be scaled up. If there are no adequate centers, then students will suffer. And yes, institute would have made sure that centers are enough in the entire country so that students need not travel to distant location to give their examination. And I'm a firm believer of the fact that the delay which has been caused in releasing the date sheet is because of this reason only. Center arrangement is a big task, because center needs a lot of infrastructure, computers, internet connection, faculties who can overview, supervise the students, etc, etc, etc. So maybe that is one of the reasons, but whatever it is, guys, 87 days are there in our hands, almost complete. 3 months are there in our hands for completing our syllabus and revisions for October 2021 examination. So October 2021 examination, July 6 days are left, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 20 days. Let me remind you, most of our big festivals are scheduled in this particular period, and this is the period of festivals in the country. Be it Parsi New Year, be it Onam, be it Raksha Bandhan, 15th August, Independence Day, be it any other big festival, Janmashtami, one of the most important festivals of Hindus. Everything is scheduled during this period. But guys, an earnest request, seriously I'm telling you, sacrifice one festival, sacrifice 1 year's festival, and you'll gain benefit of your entire life. You'll be in a privileged situation in your entire life. Just sacrifice 1 year's festival. And it's my own experience. When I had my examination, I used to say to myself, Nikhil, sacrifice one Diwali. Your entire life's Diwali will be amazing. Sacrifice one Holi. Your entire life's Holi will be amazing. Sacrifice one Raksha Bandhan. Your entire life's Raksha Bandhan will be amazing. And yes, I am reaping benefit of this thought even till now. Yes, those sacrifices made me worth it. It was all worth it. So it will be worth it for you as well. Don't worry to sacrifice Dussehra this time. Do not hesitate to sacrifice Ganesh Chaturthi this time. Please be focused on your studies. 1 hour, 2 hours of puja is not a matter at all, but do not spend whole day in these festivals, guys. Even 1 minute of your time, even 1 hour of your time is precious. Now whenever you are scrolling your Facebook, after the third or fourth scroll, you should have a guilt voice coming from inside you. You should have that voice coming in. What are you doing? Man, 87 days for your examination and you're scrolling Facebook. Seeing what? Seeing the unknown things. So, gear up. Please get geared up. Forget about these apps now. Delete apps for 90 days. For 90 days, if you're not on WhatsApp, won't make a big difference. For 90 days, if you're not on Instagram, won't make a big difference. For 90 days, if you don't click a picture and send it, post it on Instagram, won't make a big difference. And one very important tool which is there in our phone which can control our screen time recorder. Screen time recorder helps you monitor your time during the day on your screen, you spend on your screen. So just open that, just install that app. That app is mostly there in iPhone and Android users, which tells you how much time have you spent on each app. Just try to restrict your time per day for maximum 1 hour per day of your mobile phone usage, or 2 hours per day for your mobile phone usage. That's it. Of course, not more than 2 hours per day. And I can vouch for it. I can give it to you in writing. Just send me an email. I will give it to you in writing. If you take these steps, you will definitely conquer the October 2021 examination. So, okay, 87 days to go. You can see 87 days schedule has been crafted for you. 87 days, what are you going to do in this 87 days? July 6 days, August 21, August, September. These 3 months are dedicated wholly and solely to your completing of your syllabus. If you are a single group student, then you are approximately left with 16 days per subject. 16.75 days. Okay, roughly 17 days per subject you can spare till your examination for completing one subject, which is 16 days is in itself a huge time. Okay, if you save upon time, please save upon this time. This time is on an upper side. Please save upon this time and invest in it in your second revision, third revision, or subsequent revisions. But I have told you a broad funda. 17 days per subject is left for your completing of your syllabus. 17 days per subject. If you talk about both the subjects, if you are both the groups, if you are giving both the groups in October 2021, you are left with 8 days per subject, which is not low at all, not less at all. Even from now, if you spend 8 days per subject on your entire 8 subjects, of course you will be able to clear your examination with flying colors. 8 days are not less for one subject. So I'll tell you an example. Law will not take 8 days to complete. It will maximum take 5 or 6 days to complete. So you save upon 2 days, invest those 2 days in accounts, because accounts is a lengthy subject. Invest those 2 days in DT. DT is a lengthy subject. Similarly, if you are a group 2 student of Inter, then OMSM is going to take less time. Save upon that time, invest it in some other subject. Audit of group 2 will take a lesser time. Save upon that time and invest it in other subjects. So you need to manage your subjects in a way that 8 days per subject is maximum taken. So by September end, you need to complete all the subject fully. I know till now you must have done many of the subjects already. You just need to pick up the books back and just be in the flow again, and you will be done. So 8 days per subject till September end. So what are we going to do? Going to do in October? In the month of October, you are going to spend 5 days, the last 5 days, in studying for the first examination. So suppose for intermediate student, the first examination say will be financial accounting. So you will spend your entire last 5 days in studying financial accounting. And the rest of the 15 days you'll be spending in studying the past examination papers, RTPs, MTPs, etc. You'll be revising your things which you've already done. And if you save upon time in these 15 days from past examination question, RTP, NTP, then you can quickly go through your syllabus once again. So quick revision before the examination is always fruitful, is always beneficial. So this will be the broad timeline which you should follow according to me. Undoubtedly customizable according to your will, according to your comfort. Please customize it. Don't hesitate to customize it. So you can customize it according to your will. For your benefit, test series is right now also currently going on for all the 4 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Of course, for the subjects which I take test for those subjects myself, and for the subject which I don't teach, I have faculties who are taking these tests on a regular basis. So for group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, all the 4 groups, we have test series going on. So where would we get information about these test series? Go to CSCMA nikhilgupta.com. There's a notification section. There you'll get on which date will you get the test series, and then you can just be added in the WhatsApp group of your respective group, whichever you are in, group 1, 2, 3, 4. We have WhatsApp groups for each of the groups separately, and you can give test series in those groups. Test series will be held absolutely in the manner in which your examination will be conducted, which is MCQs in most of the subjects, and partly MCQ, partly theory in the subjects where MCQs and theory will come in a combined manner. So yes, test series is round the corner. Then marathon videos are round the corner. Marathon videos will be given to you. They'll be conducted by most of the teachers. Most of the subjects marathons video will be out soon. Thirdly, MCQs. So MCQs compilation is currently not there on the website, but soon, within 2-3 days, DT MCQs will be there on the website, and subsequently other subjects MCQs will also be there on the website. What are the sources of MCQs, guys? It's not rocket science. None of the people who are giving you MCQs are getting it from somewhere which is unknown source. Source is very clear. Bid questions, last year paper examination model test questions, your study mat questions, etc., etc. That's it. These are the few sources where MCQs are there, and you can just go through these MCQs. Of course, the model test papers, which will be released by the institute soon. I hope that they do it soon. Those are to be solved by you because those prove to be really beneficial for the students. In last attempt also they proved to be very beneficial. This attempt also they'll be very beneficial to all of you. So solve those questions, model test papers, which will be released by the institute on its website pretty soon. So yes, this was the broad outline of what I had planned for you. Now, according to your customization, you can change this plan according to your needs, according to your suitability. But yes, broadly stick to this guideline. And yes, from now onwards, we do not have a single day to waste. We do not have a single hour to waste. We do not have a single minute to waste. We do not have a single second to waste. Because after 87 days, we want to clear CMA Intermediate or CMA Final. On that positive note, wishing you all the best for your studies. Now let's study together. Now let's put in our heart and soul for studies. The day which we are waiting for, we have been waiting for ages, is now here. Our parents' happiness. Proud on our parents' face. Proud on our parents, teachers, and everyone who's expecting something from us, or everyone who's done something for us. Proud on their faces. Happiness all around. Happiness for us. Fulfillment, contentment for us. Lot of money for us. Yes, after qualifying CMA, we got a lot of money. Our fulfillment of our wishes, fulfillment of our dreams, fulfillment of our dreams of our parents, fulfillment of dreams of our ecosystem where we are staying. Happiness for all of us is waiting eagerly to hit you. Now, you need to get to that happiness. In these 87 days, let us get to that happiness. And for that purpose, if we need to sacrifice some of our moments, some of our good festivals or something, we are not hesitating at all from doing that. We are on to it. We don't hesitate, sir. We will do it. So yes, with this study plan, let's gear up. All the very best and happy studying.